Hey everyone! Running late doesn't mean compromising your health. Here are 5 more quick and nourishing breakfast ideas designed especially for working women. Easy to make, super tasty, and energy-packed to kickstart your day strong. First up, the cottage cheese and fruit bowl. Take a scoop of low-fat cottage cheese, add chopped papaya, kiwi, or berries, and sprinkle some flax or pumpkin seeds. Why is it perfect? It's loaded with protein, calcium, and fiber, and no cooking needed. Next, the hummus and avocado wrap. Spread hummus on a whole wheat roti or tortilla, layer it with avocado slices, cucumber, and lettuce, then roll it up and eat or wrap it to go. This one's balanced, filling, and rich in healthy fats and fiber. Third, ragi banana mini muffins. Mix ragi flour, mashed bananas, jaggery, and baking soda. Pour into muffin trays and bake in bulk. Store them for 3-4 days. A sweet, iron-rich alternative that's portable and filling. Fourth, chia pudding with almond milk. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and let it sit overnight. In the morning, add honey, cinnamon, and fruit. High in omega-3s, fiber, and very low prep effort. Finally, sweet potato toasts. Slice cooked sweet potato in toast or pan-sear it. Top with Greek yogurt and honey or peanut butter and banana. Complex carbs plus protein equals sustained energy all morning. Healthy mornings equal productive days. Start your day strong with these wholesome breakfasts that fit right into your busy life. Stay with me for more expert wellness tips, because your health fuels your success.